Hi, so now we are discussing the second case of equation of a line in 3D. So it's like 2 points are given. Assume that you are given 2 points of a line in 3D. Now we are going to learn how to find its equation. First case was like 1 point and parallel vector was given. Here you having a straight line in 3D. Listen. On that point, on that straight line, 2 points are given. The first point is x1, y1, z1. Second point is x2, y2, z2. I need to find the equation of such a straight line in 3D. First one, as I told you, we need to discuss vector form. Vector form says that r is equal to a plus lambda into b minus a. In the previous case, vector b was a parallel vector. Here parallel vector is not mentioned. Then we have to know what is b. It's very easy. I think you know what is vector r. Vector a here in this case, that is a position vector of the first passing point. That is x1i plus y1j plus z1k, and the vector b is the position vector of the second point x2i y2j plus z2k. I hope it's clear for you, isn't it? Now you listen. We are discussing its Cartesian format. So vector format is easy. R is equal to a plus lambda into b minus a. If x1, y1, z1 is the first point, its position vector will be vector a. If x2, y2, z2 is the second point, its position vector will be vector b. So vector a and vector b. Is it clear? So R is equal to a plus lambda into b minus a. Now it's Cartesian format. According to my opinion, Cartesian form of this case is more important than vector form. So Cartesian format, it's very easy. You are given 2 points, x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 on the straight line 3D. I'm going to write the Cartesian format or equation of that straight line in Cartesian format. It is given by x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. So this is the concept or how to find the equation of a line in vector format and Cartesian format if you are given 2 points on that line in 3D. I hope it's clear for you. Next topic from this chapter is a sure question for board exam, no doubt. Shortest distance between two skew lines. So I think the word skew lines may be new to you. So it may be a new word for you. So let me tell you what is a skew line. Skew line means it's a lines. They are the lines. They are neither parallel. They are neither parallel nor intersecting. Normally, we know that if you're plotting two lines in 2D format, either it will be intersecting or they are parallel. But skew lines means they are neither parallel nor intersecting. In this topic, we are going to evaluate, listen, we are going to evaluate the shortest distance between them. It's very important. All of you listen here. Let me tell you the vector format of evaluating shortest distance between these two lines. As you know, we having two lines L1 and L2. We are going to write the method or equation or formula or idea to evaluate the shortest distance between two skew lines according to or by using vector form. In vector form, assume that equation of the first line is given by r is equal to a1 plus lambda b1. This equation will be given for you in the question. And equation of r for the second line, let it be vector a2 plus mu b2. So listen, vector a plus lambda a1 plus lambda b1 is the equation of the first line L1. Vector R is equal to vector A2 plus mu B2 is the equation of L2. Now I am going to discuss the shortest distance SD by using what? Which method? Vector format. It's very easy. Modulus, all modulus A2 minus A1. You have to take the difference of A2 minus A1, which is given clearly given in the question. After that one, you should take the dot with the B1 cross B2. B1 and B2 is given for you. It's also easy. After taking the cross product, after taking the modulus, you do A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2, you be getting a scalar value divided by mod B1 cross B2. It is the formula for finding shortest distance between two skew lines. Very important. Let me put a star here. And I want to tell you that actually in this case we are discussing two cases, vector format and Cartesian format. For finding shortest distance between two skew lines, the best and easiest method is vector format, which we discussed just now. R is equal to A1 plus lambda B1 is the first line. R is equal to A2 plus B2 is the second line. Distance, shortest distance between them can be evaluated by using the formula A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 divided by mod B1 cross B2. I think it's clear for you, isn't it? Now let me discuss you the Cartesian format of the shortest distance. Cartesian form. All of you listen here. It's very easy. You have to know the formulae, and while the question comes, you have to apply it. That's all. So light L1 in Cartesian format, let it be x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. Assume that this is the equation of the first line in Cartesian format. For the second line, you assume it is x minus x2 by a2. These two equations will be directly given for you. Y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. Assume these are the equations of two lines in Cartesian format. Then shortest distance between them in Cartesian format is given by, it's very important, its determinant. All of you listen here. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. A2, b2, c2. That modulus. Sorry, that determinant. What to do? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, b1, c, a2, b2, c2 divided by root of, important, it's not over, root of b1 c2 minus b2 c1 the whole squared plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 the whole square. Okay, plus what? One more, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 the whole square. So this is the formula for finding shortest distance between two skew lines. I told you already, whenever we are going to find or evaluate the shortest distance between two lines, we can easily use the vector form. That's easy. This is also there, it's there in the textbook. That's why I mentioned this one. But in most of the cases, questions will be coming or in the format of vector format. You can use the previous formulae. So both formulae are important. So in this video, we just discussed about how to find the equation of a straight line if 2 points are given. Vector format is discussed. Cartesian format is also discussed. For the second case, I told you what you mean by a skew lines. Skew lines are the lines which are neither parallel nor intersecting. Vector format, shortest distance formula is there. In Cartesian format also, shortest distance formula is there. So that's about this topic. So the continuing topics or the remaining topics we'll be doing for the next video. So have a nice day. Thank you.